Oh Allah, I'm in need of you. Every breath, my whole life through. As long as I'm alive and well, guide my heart where truth does dwell. Oh Allah, I'm in need of you. Day and night in all I do. Lead me on the path so true. I'm in love with your Deen, Ya Rab, with you. When my strength begins to fade, when I'm lost or I'm afraid, you're the one I'm calling to. Nothing in this world will do. Oh Allah, I'm in need of you. Every breath, my whole life through. As long as I'm alive and well, guide my heart where truth does dwell. Keep my tongue in Dhikr strong when the nights feel cold and long. Let my steps not drift away. Hold me firmly to your way. If I fall, then lift me high. If I break, stay by my side. All I am belongs to you. Every word my heart says true. Oh Allah, I'm in need of you. Every breath, my whole life through. As long as I'm alive and well, guide my heart where truth does dwell. Oh Allah, I'm in need of you. I'm in love with your Deen, Ya Rab, with you.